Welcome to Chart Forecaster. I'm Kyle, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about IREN and really these important dates and times that you need to know about if you're trading the stock or looking for some moves to be made. Now, HC Wainwright upgraded IREN stock rating to buy with $80 price tag. Now, guys, I don't listen to these stupid market makers upgrading, downgrading stocks with an 80% target. This is all bullshit to me. I'm going to be very honest with you guys. These people probably have shorts open or something like that. But anyways, IREN has this phenomenal harmonic pattern that is present, right? And we are maybe seeing an inverse cup and handle here. We've already got double tops, but HC Wainwright is saying that, hey, guess what? We're going to put a $80 price target on this thing. I do think that maybe IREN will get there, but not anytime soon, I don't think, personally. Now, if you don't know what IREN is, it's basically like a pick and shovel company for AI infrastructure and data centers. If you think about it, back in the United States, when there was a gold rush, a lot of the people that got rich were the people selling the pickaxes and the shovels in the mining or the what do they call those gold pans, gold pans and things like that. I think that the $80 price tag is legitimate, and I think that right now we did see this thing pico out at $76 ish. But I think that this harmonic pattern is going to strip this thing possibly back down. I'm waiting to see right now what price action does if this inverse head and or this inverse cup and handle, which could potentially be an inverse cup and handle, because all we need to do is have price come back down to $36. So with that said, I do think that Chart Forecaster, which has been tracking IREN for a while now, basically has done a tremendous job. I mean, look at this. It predicted that, and this is all in hindsight, that it just predicts all these market moves. Volatility, a breakout, boom, it happened. It said that momentum was going to peak on the 16th of December. It happened. Boom, price reversed on the money, December 22nd. It said that watch out for bullish or bearish momentum here. It happened. Now, it did, it predicted the area of a momentum peak, but at least it was down to the day that it was saying that momentum would peak. A reversal point here, which was a little bit off. But here it was saying that bullish or bearish momentum would start, and it did. Some very intense volatility spikes here and a breakout. You guys can see price came up, it came back down. Chart Forecaster in advance. See, this is predicting 9 days out in advance that there would be a momentum peak area, and now we're at the price of $58. So it's saying that on Tuesday's open, we could be met with a market low or high and a reversal point. Nothing's bulletproof, but this thing does a halfway decent job at being right. Bullish or bearish momentum to start on the 22nd at 1500 hours UTC time, January 26th at about, Tuesday, that January 26th open. Look for volatility spikes somewhere in there. So I do think that right now, IREN, I'm definitely not going to be buying this. You can see that the bears are selling off this candle the last trading session on the day, Friday 16th. So I don't know. I think that we're going to see maybe this 50 moving average come back down and kind of link up maybe with this 200 moving average. And at that point, we're either going to see it cross and do a death cross, or if market sentiment is bullish, maybe we'll start to see it kind of trend back upwards again. This is one that I'm not really trading. I'll keep my eye on it, but right now I think that the price on the 4-hour chart is too far away from this Ichimoku cloud. There was a golden cross on the 4-hour chart though, so anything's possible with IREN. I'm just not feeling it with this one, especially with this gigantic harmonic pattern that has been really forming since August of 2025. So with that said, we'll see you on the next video.